Hey guys, today we're going to make a video. I'm the one that made Jeep Bowling from last time. My name is Deadkill21. Okay, and today we are going to make a video. And this video is about the Jeep that we did for last time. But this time we're making a straight line of a track with blocks. And next we're going to do a bowling backwards. So the car is going to drive backwards. And after that, then the video's done. Hope we get 1,000 likes and a subscriber. Thank you. And we're gonna start it now.
Alright, let me show Johnny.
Now we are going to do.
Look here, girl.
Okay, now we are going to get the vehicle, which is
Not yet.
right there. But I just got messed because you're testing it. Here is a kid,
You're messing
which
up the people.
is not there. Okay, now the vehicle the vehicle is right there, as you can see. Johnny, show us the front. That's the front of the vehicle. Okay, and now we're gonna test it. Go.
Wait. I'm gonna wait like 5 minutes because we're gonna have to like mix it up. Just draw that. Yep. And draw that real booty. She was looking. That was our brows. No.
Come on, begin.
They let go of the.
Now we're going to begin. I'm going to sit down.
Wait,
Put-
stop, pause. Put it
Oh,
back.
by the way, this is not our real house. This is the babysitters. And yeah,
Move.
I'm 9 years old. He is.
You're watching.
He's 8.
You're watching.
She's 8.
They're watching.
He's 5. And she's 8. Those two girls are twins. And I'm 9. And now we are going to test the vehicle.
Aquí no me haces videos, okay? Aquí no me haces video. You can do it in your house, not here. Okay?
Why?
Okay. Porque no, esos son daycare, no se puede. Okay?
Move twin.
I got a car accident. So guys, we're gonna stop now. So I'm gonna build like another one, and we're gonna.
Okay guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you like it.